Yeah, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's video is a very quick and simple Christmas card, and I'm going to be using products from the new mini catalogue, Stampin' Up. This catalogue runs through to the end of December 2021. I'm also going to be featuring a few of the free items which are available in our celebration brochure. This runs through to the end of September 2021. These are free items with a qualifying purchase. So the card itself is very easy, uses some of the free paper. It's the inside. A little bit of stamping, and the stamp that I'm using is the Holly Jolly Wishes, and it is also featured in the mini catalogue, the July to December mini catalogue. Great, all different fonts here, all Holly, Merry, Good Cheer, Jingle. I love this one, Fa La 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 La. This is a great great stamp set for the holiday season. Card itself is super easy, so you're just going to need a piece of real red cardstock cut in half and scored, a piece of Whisper White for the inside, another piece of Whisper White for the stamping, a little strip of paper to go across the middle, and another one for the top. And I just cut this at 1/2 centimetre off each side, just to give it a small border. And then that one. And then the glimmer paper, some more for the inside stamping, which is that one there. Oh, sorry, not inside stamping, the inside decoration. Some of the real red jewels, which are in the annual catalogue. And this is the bedazzling paper. Now this is the paper that is a free item with a qualifying purchase of $90 Australian or more. It's on page 3 of the catalogue. And the paper I'm using is the Peaceful Prints. It's also a free item in the celebration brochure. So let's put the card together. Oh, and you'll also need a punch, and I'm using the Label Me Lovely punch for this one. So let's do our stamping. Put these out of the way. I'm using real red to tie in with the real red cardstock. Let's get that ready. And I'm just going to stamp on my scrap of white. There we go. That's great font. And that's all the stamping. That's the one piece of stamping for this card. Let's punch that one out. There we go. Oh, sorry about that. My finger just slipped on the punch. Right, there we go. Let's take that one out. So that's our stamping punched out, and let's just punch out our glimmer paper. Now the glimmer paper does take a little bit more pressure to punch through the bedazzling paper because it's quite thick, so I'm going to turn that over and give it a good, there we go, that punched out perfectly. Now as you can see, I've got that set in just behind the paper there. I'm going to actually cut it in half. You could punch out 2 of these, but I don't want to use up all my beautiful paper. So bring in, I'm going to put that behind the back of this one here. So let's put some adhesive on here. I'm using my Stampin' Seal Plus. A bit there, and some more there. I'm using my silicone mat so I don't get sticky everywhere, and this is going to go onto this backing sheet here. This piece of designer series paper right here. So I'm just going to pop it around about there. I think that's about where I want it, and then measure out where that's going to go. I'm just sort of bringing it up to the ridge of that punch mark. Yep, that looks good. And then this one will come underneath it. So I haven't placed it down completely. I'm just getting it into position. I want to get them so that they are level there. Yep, that looks about right. Go. And then we'll attach this piece of paper. Oops. I just remembered Stampin' Seal Plus doesn't really like designer series paper, just use your seal. The other Stampin' Seal is a little bit too strong for paper. That's going to go right across the middle there. And then you've got that nice peak of the bedazzling paper coming out. Some dimensionals on here. It's a very, very easy card to put together. And all the products that I have used, I have linked in the description bar below. And if you haven't yet shopped in our from our celebration promotion, it's a great time because it's still going to the end of September 2021. Now the inside as well, I've put a little bit of that strip of that same Peaceful Deer paper in here. So let me just, sorry, Peaceful Prints that paper is. I love that plaid against the garden green and the real red plaid. It's fabulous. Let's put that on as well. So just a little bit of this. Just putting the Stampin' Seal Plus down on the glimmer paper. And oops. Now I made this, I've left a little bit of a trim at the bottom of the white just for a little bit of added interest. You don't have to do that. Whatever you like, it's fine. Actually, I'm going to put this one down first. Put that one on first, and then I can. These are only sort of a centimetre in depth, but you can make it a little bit. I think that might be a bit much. Just come up there a little bit. Just trying to get this right. I only want a little peak of that to be. I only want a little bit of that to be peeking out. Just make sure I've got that correct. And just a little bit of the white at the bottom of the card there. Oh, might have it a bit hanging over. Just trim that off. There we go. I think that's really nice. And then you can do additional stamping on the inside. Just gives a little bit more interest there in the card. Let's attach this to our cardstock with some dimensionals. More off. Okay. And just lay that down. And we're done. Nearly done. There we go. That's that one done. And then just the inside. Put some seal on here. We mustn't forget to put those real red jewels on either. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that plaid. I really do. Yeah, if you've got a plain, you can either write your write out your greeting, or you can use another one of the greetings from this stamp set. And finish it off with some of these, or whatever jewels you have available. I'm using these because they coordinate with the cardstock, which is real red. Go, and there you have it. Whoops. Quick, easy, simple card. I hope you enjoyed that video. Once again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com, or you can click on the links below to be taken to my online Stampin' Up store. Thanks for watching today. Bye.